chirping. Yeah, it's hot. All right. Yep.
Put these together, or how do you?
So they're all right here.
Plug like that.
It's all part of the casting. You know, like
That's the kind you got now here.
I guess you could.
You want this one? I can run that too.
Sure.
Yeah, there's someone that was in the 60s. It was in a popular mechanics magazine, I think, somewhere. And, in the 60s, that was before I was born. You know.
It was. Oh, okay.
But I seen it in there when I was a kid, and I always thought it was such a fascinating engine. And then I made it, and I couldn't get it to run. I had it for a long time, and when I got it running, it was
That's not the one you wanted.
Did everybody get one?
Everybody got one. Got pitchfork. All stamped on it. Remember the pitchfork?
Has it got
The 3 times.
3 times?